Hey everyone, it's Sam Bryant from Bryant Taylor Law, and today we're discussing why, in my opinion, jury trials suck for business owners. Before we get into it, Bryant Taylor Law is a business law firm that helps business owners start a business and also helps business partners resolve partnership disputes. And if you haven't already subscribed to us, please feel free to do so or like the video and comment suggestions. We always like to have feedback and always want to make sure that we're providing value for you. So, all right, so let's get into it. Why do jury trials suck for business owners? I think the answer is quite simple, and it's because jury trials are decided by people, and these people may or may not actually understand the legal issues that you're putting before them. So, if you're in a dispute with your partners or your actual company, and these issues are complicated or the typical person may not relate to it, you're running the risk of putting your fate or your business's fate in the hands of people who don't understand. And the sad truth is, when you're on a jury, whether or not you actually understand what's going on, you do have to make a decision. And that's the worst thing that could happen is you have a jury member who maybe is uneducated or who doesn't have the same means as a person involved in the lawsuit, or just simply just may not understand what the underlying issues are, or the business itself, or what they do, or their technology involved, if it's applicable. If you have these people making these type of decisions, you're just rolling the dice. No matter what or how good of an attorney you get, or no matter how right you are in your position, at the end of the day, all that matters is what these jurors are thinking. And that's kind of scary, especially when you're in a position where a lot is at stake. So, as a business attorney, I hate the idea of putting my clients and the fate of their companies in the hands of people who may not understand or who may even resent them. Because if you take a step back, when you own a business and you're talking to somebody who doesn't own a business and doesn't know what it's like to own a business, they may just assume that you're greedy or you're rich, and they just may assume that a business trial is between two people who have a bunch of money. And so it's not the best position to be in. And we're all about putting our clients in a position to succeed no matter what. Not to say that it's impossible to succeed if you're involved in a jury trial. It's just that it's risky, and we don't like to take that risk. So for us, we position our clients when we're drafting their contracts or partnership agreements or operating agreements. We try to hit that head on and prevent the possibility of our clients having to go to a jury trial if they have to go to court. The alternative is having a bench trial. I'd much rather argue issues that are related to a business in front of a judge than a jury. A judge may not understand a business or may not have ever run a business, but judges are highly educated and they're specially trained to learn as much as possible with what you give them. So, as an attorney that's either defending a business or fighting for business and looking to get something, it's easier to present information for the judge to understand and digest, which will allow the judge to make the right decision. And that's what we want, is we want the judge to make the right decision so that you as the business owner can get everything that you're entitled to. It's not a given either way, but the chances are greater, in my opinion, with a judge deciding your case than a jury. So, in a nutshell, in my opinion, jury trials suck for business owners. And if you have a business or you're a partner in a business, you want to avoid jury trials as much as you possibly can. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like and subscribe to us, and we'll be pushing out more content like this in the future. Hope everyone's staying safe, and have a good one.